Hello guys, welcome back to the channel then, and welcome back to the MVM Action Sports Arena. Today I thought I'll show you where to ride, and I'll show you, I'll give you some times, let you know how long it takes me to get to where I ride, how long it takes me to film a video, and we'll go from there. Alright, so the day normally starts and I pick up the bike. I have to get dressed and everything, drive to where I picked the bike up from, and then start the bike up, warm it up. And as you can see there, it's now 5 to 11. And the bike should be warm now, so I'm going to get on it and start riding. And it's about now then that I make my way to the Action Sports Arena. And it's about now where the bike starts to warm up and I start to freeze, because it's absolutely Baltic. It's starting to snow as well, which is pretty cool. But as you can see, I've got to ride on the road to get where I need to ride off-road. That requires me to be fully legal with a giant number plate in the back, license, tax, MOT and insurance. So this is one of the villages I got to pass through then. It's 30-mile-an-hour road, so you got to respect the 30s, lads. There's no point bombing around everywhere. You're just going to draw attention to yourself, and people don't like dirt bikers as it is anyway, no matter how legal you are. So respect the 30s. Here we go then. This is where we get to make the bike sing, because we're now in a 60-mile-an-hour road. Nice little country lane. And this is the part where I pretty much get even colder and the bike gets warmer. Back to respecting the 30s. At this point my fingertips are absolutely freezing, my knees are freezing, and we're quite a bit of time in. I'm not sure what the complete time is, but I will put that in once we get to the riding area. The last bit of the ride then is naturally where we see pedestrians, so I have to take it easy. Morning! And you always be polite and friendly to the pedestrians. The last bit then of the last stretch before we get to the MVM Action Sports Arena is, it's a very, very slippery stretch of road. Very slippery. And you have to take your time, because I've actually come off this before. Ah, nice. And as you can see, it's not very good coming in and out of it, because what happens is you get stuck. It's getting deeper and deeper as well every time I go over it. So as I get to the area, I have a bit of a, ooh, it's icy, so my wheel just spun. This is actual ice. Mega. What was I saying? So as I get here then, I tend to have a bit of a slow ride. I mean, I have a slow ride anyway, but I just have a bit of a cruise around to make sure there's no pedestrians walking around, any horse riders. And then we have a bit of a warm-up then. hands working again, get the bike. Get the bike happy. And then we enjoy the day. And the snow is starting to stick. We'll do another lap just to... caught neutral again, and I can't find it when I'm stationary, so the hell I do it when I'm riding is beyond me. Yeah, so coming up to the next part then, this is like the next level. I like to think of this as 3 different levels of the playing ground, and then you get to this nice gradient. And this is where you can actually make the bike sing a bit more. But right then, so where we're going to go now is to hill number, we'll call this hill number 4, right? Because the first one, which I didn't show you today, is hill number 1. Hill number 2 is the one that I quite regularly get stuck on because of how slippery it is. Hill number 3 is the big one that I tend to not ride because that is horrible unless it's dry. And hill number 4, okay, so this is what I call hill number 4. And what it is 2 lines. So to try and build the revs up, it's not the easiest thing unless you give it some in the clutch and then just let the clutch in and out, you know what I mean, modulate the clutch, and then you pull your way up. But what the problem last time I did it was, I came around left, I didn't really have many revs, so I just kept it trugging along in second. I was too tired to fight the bike, in all honesty. I've been riding for 3 hours. So I kept the left lane, and that thing is rocky as hell. So realistically I should come out, gone a bit wider, up the right hand side, the less rockier path. It would have been slippery at the top, so I would have had a bit of a spin, but I would have been alright at that point. I probably could have built up enough momentum. But on the left hand side I had no hope, and I think I kind of kinked it right because of a stone, which then bucked me left. I tried holding on, hoping that I could get onto the grass and pull the bike around, because I was literally letting the bike pull me. I was knackered, and yeah, off it went. I'm now going to buy a new fender because it's all snapped. So yeah, fun and games. So with that in mind then, guys, we're going to call it a day there. I'm going to get this little beastie back home before it freezes. Thanks very much for watching the video. Hopefully you're staying safe in these mental times, and I'll see you on Thursday. Take it easy.